This virtual reality video puts the viewer in the role of an asthmatic person cleaning a house. Created by the Games and Virtual Environments Lab, the goal of the video is to educate the general public on unique health challenges, in this case, asthma. Grady, an associate professor in the University of Georgia's Grady College of Journalism and Mass Communication, studies virtual reality and how it can be applied as a training and instructional tool. As you walk through the house and go through the cleaning checklist, you encounter various triggers for an asthma attack, such as chemicals, gas from the stove, pet dander, and pest droppings. The augmented world visualizes these elements in the air, creating a murky look to the environment. Certain cleaning tools or practices, such as using a feather duster, will exacerbate triggers rather than alleviate them. To finish cleaning the home and make the air cleaner, you must use proper cleaning behaviors to make it a safe environment for all. On and the rest of the Gavel team hope to use this video and others to help people gain more insight into others' struggles and change their behavior in the future.